Hey guys, it's Domino and I'm at Drumeo. Have you ever been interested in learning the drums but you don't know where to start? So in this lesson today, I will be first showing you the beat, and then by the end of the video, we'll be doing together a 5-minute workout. So grab your sticks and let's dive in. So I'm going to be teaching you this beat in 5 steps. The first one is simple. You're going to take your right hand on the hi-hat and your right foot on the bass drum. And you're going to play them at the same time together. And it's going to sound something like this. So again, this. Now we'll be playing them a few in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you may have noticed, I'm right-handed, but if maybe you're left-handed, well, don't worry. The only thing you have to do is to reverse the way that you would be playing this. The same thing, but the opposite hands. So you can do this. So for step 2, we're gonna do the same thing. It's gonna be the right hand on the hi-hat and the left hand on the snare. And you're gonna play at the same time. The same thing as we did with the bass drum. You're gonna do this with your 2 hands. So it's gonna sound something like that. So let's now play a couple hits in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, you can do this easy as that. So for step 3, we're gonna combine step 1 with step 2. So let me show it to you. Step 1, step 2, step 1, and step 2. So we're gonna play a couple of hits in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this. 2, 3, 4. So there you go, easy as that, only combining the step 1 with the step 2. So for step 4, now, the only thing that's gonna change, we're gonna do the same thing that we just did for step 3. For step 4, you're gonna double the hits on the hi-hat. So we were doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will now be doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So the only thing changing is instead of doing this, you're gonna do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So to help you understand what we just changed with the hi-hat, I'm going to alternate between step 3 and step 4 so that you can really understand what we are doing here with the beat. So let's start with step 3, which was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The only things changing is the hi-hat, and we can go back to step 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then step 4. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So for step 5, the only thing that's going to change is that we'll be adding a crash, and the way that you're going to be adding this is to replace the first hit that you would normally do on the hi-hat. You're going to play it on the crash. So it's going to sound something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, to the crash, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, to the crash, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So there you go. The only thing you have to keep in mind when you're crushing is that you're only replacing the first hit on the hi-hat on the crush. The only thing you need to keep in mind. So there you go. Only 5 easy steps and you can now play one of the most popular beats of all time. So we're going to do this workout together. It's going to be really fun. And the only thing that will be changing through this workout is that we will be moving your right hand through the kit. The only thing's changing. The rest is the same pattern. So it will be much more clearer when we'll do this workout together. So grab your sticks right now and start this workout with me. Hey guys, welcome to this short workout today. So we're gonna start with an easy step. Only the bass drum and the hi-hat for now. So the next step will be to play the same thing as we did before. It's gonna be the right hand on the hi-hat and the left hand on the snare. So are you ready? In 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So no need to play the bass drum right now. Only hi-hat and snare. You can do this. By the end of this workout, you will be able to play the full beat. So now, we'll be adding the bass drum. Are you ready? In 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at you, you're now playing the beat. So the next step will be to double the hi-hat, just like we did at the beginning of this lesson. So are you ready to double the hi-hat? In 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can do this, guys. Easy as this. You can even bounce while playing this. The next step will be to add the crash like we talked before. Are you ready? In 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, the crash and 1. Are you ready to add another crash? In 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, the crash and 1. So now, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna go the right hand on the ride. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Same thing, only the right hand moving. Are you ready for another crash? And 1, 2, 2, the crash and 1. So there's only one step left for today, and it's gonna be to move your right hand to the floor top. Same beat. Are you ready? In 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and 1. Gonna be playing another crash here in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We're almost done for the day. This is the last step. We're gonna be ending this pattern, the last crash of the day. In 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Congrats, guys! We did it, the 5-minute workout of today. So if you liked doing this with me, you can go check out my course called 30-Day Drummer, which I'm super excited about. So if you want to know more about this course, please check out the link down below. So thank you so much again for watching. I hope that you had a lot of fun learning the most popular beat of all time. And I hope to see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye. This is a different way to learn the I'm gonna say it in French. C'est une différente façon d'apprendre le drum. Okay. Hey, my name is Domino Santantonio, and I'm very excited to announce the first ever 30-day drummer course by Drumeo. This is a brand new style of Drumeo lessons that will help you learn to play the drums in just 30 days using daily guided workouts that tell you exactly what to work on. And the best part is, I'll be playing with you. No theory, no homework. Simply build your skills by playing the drums with me for only 10 minutes a day. That's it. This is how I learned to play the drums, by actually playing the drums. No drums? No problem. You can participate in 30-Day Drummer with only a practice pad and sticks. Over the next 30 days, we will learn basic beats, fills, and by the end, you'll have the skills to play hundreds of your favorite pop and rock songs on the drums. And if you're not happy with the course, by the end of the month, you'll get your money back. The first ever 30-Day Drummer course starts this September, and enrollment is open now. Click the link to be one of the first ever 30-Day Drummer students, and I'll see you inside the course very soon.